What if your browser wasn't just a window to the internet, but a business partner? Meet ChatGPT Atlas, OpenAI's new AI browser that could change how entrepreneurs work forever. From automating market research to creating full campaigns in seconds, this might be the biggest productivity leap since Google itself. Let's dive into how business owners can turn this AI tool into a profit engine. OpenAI just made another bold move against Google, and this time, it's not about search or models. They've officially launched ChatGPT Atlas, an AI-powered browser that doesn't just let you surf the web, it talks to it for you. And if you're a business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur, this could change how you work online forever. Atlas turns your entire internet experience into one big conversation, with ChatGPT acting as your digital co-pilot. It's not just another update. It's OpenAI's boldest leap since ChatGPT itself, and it's already shaking up the browser world. The official launch happened on October 21st in a full live stream demo. Sam Altman opened the event saying, "This isn't just another app bolted onto ChatGPT. It's a complete rethink of how people use the web." He's right. Since the introduction of tabs, we haven't seen true innovation in browsing. Atlas aims to fix that by replacing the old search and click routine with something smarter, a browser that understands your intent and executes it. It's available now for macOS with Windows, iOS, and Android coming soon. But if you're a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscriber, you get full access to Agent Mode. And that's where things get interesting. In Agent Mode, Atlas doesn't just respond, it acts. You can tell it to book flights, find suppliers, create a business report, or even rewrite your website copy. And it handles it all in real time. During the demo, developers showed Atlas visiting Instacart, finding all the ingredients for a meal, and checking out automatically, no extra clicks. Now imagine that same power for business. A shop owner could use Atlas to research product pricing across competitors in minutes. A freelancer could automate client communication or proposal drafting directly from Gmail. A digital marketer could have Atlas analyze ad metrics from multiple dashboards and summarize them instantly. An entrepreneur could ask Atlas to find investors, compare market trends, or write a funding proposal on the fly. The talent behind Atlas is impressive too. Ben Goodger, one of the original minds behind Chrome and Firefox, helped lead development, alongside designers from Apple and Mozilla. Altman called Atlas the beating heart of ChatGPT, describing it as the future web experience, a chat interface fused directly with the open web. When you first open it, Atlas looks familiar, a search bar, tabs, and address bar. But once you start using it, you realize it's not a browser with AI attached. It's ChatGPT seamlessly integrated into the internet itself. Every time you click a link, the screen splits. The web page on one side, a live ChatGPT chat on the other. That chat can summarize a page, compare pricing, translate contracts, or rewrite copy, all in seconds. They call that feature cursor chat. Highlight a paragraph in a document, and Atlas instantly offers ways to improve or reformat it. This means no more switching between 10 tabs while researching or drafting. Your AI assistant is already in the workflow. Memory is another game changer. Atlas remembers what you've searched for, read, or worked on, and tailors your next session around it. If you were comparing suppliers last week, it can automatically show updated options this week. You can manage or delete that memory at any time, or go incognito for a clean slate. For entrepreneurs, this memory feature could become a business intelligence tool. It remembers your niche, your goals, your data, and keeps improving your efficiency over time. OpenAI has been building toward this for over a year. Remember when ChatGPT could control your computer in early tests? Atlas is a full evolution of that idea. But now, it works live on actual websites. And performance-wise, it's impressive. Early users say Atlas feels fast, fluid, and smooth, the kind of polish needed if AI browsers are going to rival Chrome or Safari. This launch didn't come out of nowhere. Back in 2024, OpenAI teased SearchGPT, an AI search engine prototype. Instead of releasing that, they rolled its features into Atlas, creating something far bigger. The timing couldn't be better. In the past year, AI browsers have exploded. Perplexity launched Comet, Opera built Neon, Brave added AI tools, and Google is baking Gemini into Chrome. Now, Atlas enters that race. And with OpenAI's 800 million users, it's entering with serious momentum. Even investors took notice. Alphabet stock dropped nearly 2% after the launch. Google still dominates with 72% market share, but OpenAI isn't trying to just compete. It's trying to redefine what browsing means. Instead of endless clicking and searching, Atlas turns a browser into an AI-powered workspace. Perfect for entrepreneurs who live online. Customer engagement. Businesses can use it to draft content, ads, or email sequences on the fly. Here's what that means for business. Time savings. Research, emails, data entry, and writing, all automated in one interface. Smarter decision-making. Atlas can summarize market reports or financial data right inside your browser. Customer engagement. Businesses can use it to draft content, ads, or email sequences on the fly. Global reach. Instantly translate product listings or emails into other languages. Productivity boost. Entrepreneurs can replace multiple paid tools with one unified AI browser. Privacy, of course, is still a top concern. OpenAI insists that users stay in full control. You choose which sites Atlas can read or access, clear data whenever, or disable memory. In incognito mode, ChatGPT automatically signs out, so nothing gets stored. And Atlas can't run code, download files, or touch your system files. It even pauses itself on sensitive pages like banking or financial dashboards. Parents also get child safety controls, which is rare in AI browsers. That kind of transparency will likely help OpenAI avoid the early backlash that hit other automation tools. Zooming out, this move clearly fits into OpenAI's long-term strategy to create what Altman calls a super assistant that follows you across every device. Now, whether you're on mobile, desktop, or web, or soon inside Atlas, ChatGPT is there. Even its WhatsApp integration ties into this. Over 50 million people use ChatGPT via WhatsApp this year. But due to WhatsApp's new policy updates, that link will end on January 15th, 2026. Users are being encouraged to sync their WhatsApp and ChatGPT accounts to keep their histories. After that, ChatGPT will live on iOS, Android, web, and Atlas. For business owners, that's a consolidation play. Instead of managing scattered platforms, you get one unified workspace, chat, voice files, and now browsing all synced together. Still, not everyone's convinced. Analysts like Patty Harrington from Forrester warn that too much personalization could lead to AI shaping user behavior. If a browser knows you too well, it might start influencing what you see or buy, something entrepreneurs will need to monitor closely. And then there's advertising. If OpenAI leverages behavioral data, it could step into Google's $200 billion ad market. Analysts already predict that Atlas could become OpenAI's gateway into ad-driven personalization, directly challenging Google's dominance. But that's not necessarily bad for small businesses. If OpenAI opens up ad tools within Atlas, it could create a new AI-optimized ad ecosystem where smaller brands can compete more efficiently, powered by ChatGPT's natural understanding of content and audience targeting. Of course, regulators are watching closely. A joint BBC-BU study found that around 45% of AI-assisted responses contain factual errors, reminding everyone that AI accuracy still needs oversight. Still, the adoption curve is massive. Over 60% of Americans and 3/4 of people under 30 already use AI to find information. That's an audience ready for a smarter browser that works as hard as they do. So what's the takeaway for business owners? Atlas isn't just another browser. It's the beginning of autonomous browsing, where research, reporting, marketing, and content creation happen in one intelligent interface. It's a productivity revolution waiting to be tapped, and entrepreneurs who adapt early will have a serious edge. Since Chrome's debut in 2008, browsing hasn't truly evolved, until now. So what's your take? Will you be switching to ChatGPT Atlas for your business? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Hustle Lab, where we explore how AI can power your business growth. Catch you in the next one.